Login failed on Bloomberg App Fix. You open the Bloomberg app to catch up on the latest market headlines and suddenly, login failed. It's annoying, but here's the surprising truth. Most of the time, this issue has nothing to do with your account. It's often just a simple fix away. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Bloomberg constantly syncs live market data, and if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak, the app can't authenticate your login. Try switching networks or toggling airplane mode on and off. Next, check for updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Bloomberg, and tap Update if available. Running an outdated version can cause login conflicts with newer server updates. Then, re-enter your login details manually. Don't rely on autofill. Most people get this wrong because stored credentials often don't include updated passwords. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it quickly. If that doesn't solve it, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Bloomberg Stored, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to clear temporary files that may be interfering with the login process. Also, if you're connected through a Wi-Fi, disable it. Bloomberg's authentication servers might block connections from hidden or international IPs as a security measure. If all else fails, try logging in through Bloomberg's website. If it doesn't work there either, it might be a temporary outage. Just wait a few minutes and try again. So next time your Bloomberg app says login failed, don't panic. Check your internet, update the app, re-enter your details, clear your cache, and turn off your Wi-Fi. Follow those quick steps, and you'll be back to reading breaking news, market trends, and expert insights in no time.